client just showed up and they're going through the walk around here with Dad on the 1966 blue wide gauge. There you go. She's pretty happy.
This is laid up like your other one. Your ship is from that side.
Look at Candace's son. Oh, there you go.
There's both. But both that side of it. Oh yeah. There's one. About 20-something people.
Big difference in the sound, eh, Candace?
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
Good?
Yeah? How was your season?
It's good. We're still fishing.
Oh, okay.
Almost done.
Yeah.
Almost done though, yeah.
These were broke off, eh? So I had to center punch and drill all these. to
How's
make
the
them
lodge
fit,
busy?
eh? I mean, so I
Lots
could
of
bolt
fish.
it and I
So, what do you think so far, Corey?
Like it.
Yeah?
Damn good work.
It sounds a lot better than when it rolled in, right?
These, like
Looks
this,
good too.
this was getting all cracked up, so I welded these panels in, eh? And I ground them off so that it was all loose.
Catches and bangs and
Yeah.
over the ears.
And I put new rub things on top, so the door goes easy, but it's tight enough the fan can't pull it in. And you shouldn't have any trouble. This should do you now for next season. That's provided you don't have to bring it back here. Grease the wheels and dig them like this, get on your hands and knees and dig the wheels like this just to see if there's any movement. Eh? If there is, then you got to tighten them a little bit. Put cotter pins back in, tighten these good, grease them. One thing I want you guys to do though, this doesn't slam because it'll pop it out, so just make it like this.
Like an actual door to actually close it, you know?
Yeah.
Just slam it.
Yeah, and they close like this. If it's down here when it's running, it's going to be rolling oil. No. What happens is there's two settings. Eh? When the transmission is running, it takes oil, but when it's stopped, it'll run back up again. So that's your mark. It's a brand new transmission, so you shouldn't have trouble. But I'm just saying, pull the rat cap and pull the dipstick, both of them, so you know what you got.
Know that it's there before it's not, yeah.
Yeah, because you know if you run the transmission over or a hose goes or something, you ruin the transmission. There's new hoses on there, all double clap, so you should have no trouble there.
When we got this, we went right through the entire undercarriage on it.
Okay, this should you don't need wheels, but down the line, maybe the end of next season, you put a new set of tracks on, and you need a box of 360 1.25-inch bolts and nuts. I can do it for you, like if you get the tracks, and then put your new sprockets on.
It'll be brand new.
Well, I'd like to have a first class shape, eh?
Okay, so Dad got something here for Candace for a surprise. Her very own personalized,
Personal chisel.
there you go.
Right on. Hey, and I have my own.
Oh, this is there, Cor.
Eric is getting more parts here.
made out of spring steel. It won't get dull.
Okay, honorary tip of the day. Do you have a tip of the day there, Candace, for the viewers?
Stay deadly.
Stay deadly.
Just stay deadly and
Yeah,
The tip of the day is try and keep your customers happy.
Yeah,
If they're not
there's-
smiling when they leave, you know you got a
Do
problem.
we have happy customers?
yeah. There you go.
thank you.
Yes,
Oh.
we do.
Here, get in here. Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Okay.